มากินน้ำกัน
เบิ่งอันคนกำลังออกขึ้นห้องขนาดนี้ว้าวดูเก็บมื้อนี้พากันมาปิกนิกอยู่เลยFamily Picnic อายเฮ็ดยังอาย
ปิ้งแฮมเบอร์เกอร์ให้ทุกน้อย
ว่า
เฮ้ยนี่เลยเนาะสบายแฮมเบอร์กับฮอทดอกโอ้ฮอทดอกตัวนี้แซ่บเลยนะแซ่บเลยตัวนี้อัสปาร์ตมีปัก
อันปิ้งแฮมเบอร์เกอร์อะไรมีดเห็ดยัง
I'm warming up my bread.
โอเค What do you eat
I'm about to eat a hamburger.
โอเค
It's so good.
โอเค ไอ้กินฮอทดอกแล้วนะไอ้สิกินฮอทดอกแล้ว
ซีมันต่อไปจะได้กินแฮมเบอร์เกอร์
โอเคกำลังจะกินฮอทดอกแฮมเบอร์เกอร์
สบายดีคุณน้อย
ลิกซันมายังเลือกมันลินเล็ก
โดย
ดีใจมากไอ้เด็กเกรนลูกไอ้ลูก
บ่จือมาเอี่ยงมัน
มาจีแม่เอียงบ่นี่มาเมื่อแกมาลีไปโอ้ล่ะล่ะลูก
ไม่ชื่อว่าได้เงินเลย
เมื่อนั้นหักกันนะลิกซันจุบกันมาไม่ได้
Hi Grandma V
โดยทางสบายดียูคามฮัลโหลไฮสบายดี
Yeah, I call him, but yeah, I'm just gonna change it.
Ken, you wanna go swimming?
With the Wi-Fi, you want to swim?
No, the Esther on the
After a few burgers and hot dogs and few beers, I'm gonna go swimming and work it off. So I'm gonna go skinny dipping, okay? Oh, nice and cool skinny dipping. Come and join us.
Oh, you're backward. What are you doing, huh? You want to turn around? Here, throw the ball. Throw the ball. Throw the ball. Put your leg up. Turn the other way.
Put your leg up.
This way.
Yeah, that's
There
it.
you go.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. I gotta work on my backhand. No, 400, 800.
Wow. Wow. Good.
I just want to say thank you for everyone that showed up today, and it turned out to be a great day. We planned this for a while now, Jim and I, we tried to get together, but schedule doesn't allow us to, so but thank you that you all can show up. We have a cake today for one very special person. We tried to have a birthday, but things happen, and so my wife is here now, so we're gonna do this as a surprise for her.
It's for you.
It's
your birthday party.
It's your birthday party. So because of the things happen in the family, then we have to postpone her birthday. So if you all can sing happy birthday to her, I'd be really appreciate it. So ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, son Mary. Happy birthday to
So there's no candle needed. She's 29, so that's all it matters. Okay. So, what time is it now? Yes. Yeah. Okay.
record.
Throw that stuff. Now, did you give me the
Perfect. Okay. Now, thanks to Jim. Jim, the one that got the cake.
Thank you very much, Jim. Thank you. Thank you.
It's another one of those surprise birthday parties that we're so good at.
Thank you.
You know, I have a story to tell too. So,
I didn't know.
when she planned a surprise birthday for me, right? This is last year, was it last year?
No, and you're 53, so it's like,
Oh, okay, that's 3 years ago. So it turned out to be a surprise for her because she was asking, hey, can I have Jim's number? Jim's gonna come over next week. And I said, no, he can't. He just told me he won't be able to because I asked him already, right? So Jim showed up at the house.
That's funny.
And he tried to play it off, but it
Oh,
didn't work.
that's pretty funny.
นกเอียงไม่ใส่นกเอียง
It's lovely. A lot of sugar for you.
น้ำตาล
Good. It's good, huh?
Kids, please do not try this at home or at your playground.